Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up in settings in Windows 10. If you're facing this problem, don't worry. We've got you covered with some simple troubleshooting steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the search icon located next to the Start menu. This will open the search bar. Step 2. Type Services in the search bar and press Enter. This will open the Services window, which allows you to manage various system services. Step 3. In the Services window, locate the WLAN AutoConfig Service from the list. This service is responsible for managing wireless network connections. Step 4. Right-click on the WLAN AutoConfig Service and select Properties. This will open the Properties window for the service. Step 5. In the Properties window, navigate to the Startup Type section and change it to Automatic. This ensures that the WLAN AutoConfig Service starts automatically when you boot up your computer. Step 6. Click on the Start button to run the service. This will initiate the WLAN AutoConfig Service and enable it to manage your wireless network connections. Step 7. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes you made in the Properties window. Step 8. Once the Properties window closes, click on Restart this service on the left side under the WLAN AutoConfig section. This will restart the service and ensure that any changes take effect. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up in settings in Windows 10. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.